Start your season off right with these lean body lemon bars.
Add into a small mixing bowl 3 sheets of graham crackers and crush them up. Continue with 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix those together. From here, take out a baking dish, optionally lined or coated with cooking spray, and add in your mix. Press it around to compact it. Put that into the oven on 325 for 10 to 12 minutes. While that's baking, add into another bowl 1 container of lemon Greek yogurt, 1 large whole egg and 2 egg yolks, 2 scoops of our delicious vanilla protein shake drink mix, 6 ounces of fat-free or reduced fat cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 2 ounces of a lean body ready to drink protein shake, I went pina colada, and 2 ounces of lemon juice. Mix all of those together until smooth. Pour your mix on top of your baked crust and put it into the oven on 325 for 30 to 35 minutes, or until they look like this.